RKM Primary Care, we are what's called a federally qualified health center. We operate 11 sites in South Louisiana from West Baton Rouge Parish all the way over to Tangipahoa Parish. So in 2018, we realized that our very small maintenance team was not able to keep up with all the maintenance at our 11 sites. So we reached out to a couple different vendors to find out what options we would have. Star came in and presented a great opportunity that we found was going to be the best fit for us. All in told, in the first, I think, 6 months of the agreement, we had already seen a savings of $21,000. One of the great things about this agreement that we went into is a little more peace of mind. I'm not having to think about, one, is the maintenance being performed properly. I'm not having to worry about or budget for, is a unit going to go down this year or next year? We know what the amount's going to be, we put it in the budget, and then I move on to the next thing. When you look at the upfront cost of the contract, it may be somewhat intimidating at first, but if you truly look at the long term and what you're going to end up spending, it really is a no-brainer at that point.